All right, it's day 3 of the Masters, and hopefully our golfers are not spending a whole lot of time in this cocktail, aka the sand trap. To start, we are going to actually put ice directly into our rocks glass here, since this is a build-in glass cocktail. So then we are going to use 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of coconut rum, and then a splash of ginger beer. Boop. And then we are actually going to fill with grapefruit juice. All right, I'm calling that filled. Okay. And then to top it off, we are going to use an orange and maraschino cherry garnish. Man, I can't win with this garnish. Okay, there we go. And there we have it. This is called, what is it? The sand trap. I was thinking bunker, and I'm like,
that's the thing.
That's the thing.
That is the thing.
This is the sand trap. I'm going to give it just a little stir here, maybe just with my garnish that doesn't like me. That's what you get. Okay. Ooh, that's quite nice. It's very coconutty. You actually don't get a lot of grapefruit juice, considering we put a lot of grapefruit juice in there. Definitely more coconutty than anything, but very easy and very refreshing. Not gonna lie. This is definitely something I would totally drink on the golf course. So, if you enjoy the cocktails, you enjoy my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you are A, watching the Masters this week, or B, making the cocktails, or if you're just popping in and watching me because you're bored. I'm okay with that too. Until the next pour. Cheers.